plus 3 more is like 4.
Hi, you guys.
Hi. Together. I think the most chill one is milk.
She lucky she getting that Coca-Cola. Yes, it is the next day. Look at, say hi, Mom. You doing it?
Every time when you do it, you never say hi.
I don't know why she's like that. Why you don't say hi, Ma?
Yes, you can.
She's so nasty. I don't understand. Anywho, we're at my nephew's birthday. Look at Dontae. Dontae, say hi. I might have to, this might be a voiceover because they're playing music and I don't need no copyright. But, yeah.
Or you can take it out and put it in the, it's like yours, like you know how you put it in the car seat?
So we're in an open park. Yeah. We just ate some rice and peas, some chicken, baked chicken, and sweet plantains. It was good. Come on, now we're just sitting here. It is cold, right, Papa?
Yeah, if you have another kid, there's like an attachment here.
Royce has on a very nice dress, but... Oh, oh your mom. Are you? If you know, you know. You can't bring black people nowhere. I don't know, I'm recording them. The person who don't never want to be on. And look at her. Why you stop talking? She don't never want to be on video, but she worried about who got permission. We're in the sun, you guys, because it is freaking cold. Come say hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Hi, Rosie.
Hi.
Where are we? By the water. Now you run into the Skyline Princess.
Mom, I mean.
They playing music too. Ooh.
Look.
Looks like we have a parade coming. Ooh.
Oh, there we go.
He said hi. Oh. Thank you. Oh, right, see? They... Oh. Oh. It's probably gonna fly off again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. You got dance. That's a dancey dance. Yep. It's a little dancey dance.
We can't do nothing else but all you want.
Looking naughty.
Wait, he's only one, so we can't really clap a lot. We did a one clap?
Are you? Oh, what are you doing?
All right, y'all. So we are back in the house now. It was nice. It was cool. So my nephew is 1 year old now, and yeah. So happy birthday to baby De Niro. Oh yeah, that's my nephew's name, De Niro. I call him Jukebox. So we're home, and of course I have some packages that just came in from Amazon. I have two. My phone is leaning on one. So this is, because I told y'all that I was needing, I told y'all that I was needing makeup brushes, like good quality. It says compare. Oh, this ain't the makeup brushes. This is, I'm about to say, this packaging looked like a wig packaging. So it actually is, because I was looking for a PIXIE kind of curly wig. That's my vibe. And so it's compare hair. Thank you for shopping. May all your wishes come true. Thank you. Thank you, friend. That's what it's saying. So this is the hair. It comes with, yeah, I know, little edge brush, and of course these diva lashes. All right. So that's what it comes with, and this is the wig. I thought this wig was really, really cute from what I seen. Ow! It is a lace wig. Ow! What is? It's a lace wig, and all right now, this is basically it. Let me see. This would be the, yeah, this would be the front. It does have a scent that I'm not really too fond of. I don't like that. I don't like that smell. I don't know what smell that is, but yeah. So it goes from ear to ear. Oh, I can't wait to put this on and to style this. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So this is it. I'll be right back. I'm gonna just throw it on so we could get a quick view of what it looks like. Hey you guys, so yes, this is the wig on me. All your girl did was mousse it, water it. I cut the sides, as you can see, to give a little swirl swoop. Listen, water and mousse, little sheen oil, you're good to go. It is lace, so you could use some lace bond if you wanted that kind of look, but I like the curls coming towards the front, so maybe I won't use that. Listen, a PIXIE is a go-to for the summer. If you know me, it is my go-to wig. Listen, if you are a PIXIE girl, this link to this wig will be in the description. Love you guys.
The next day.
Let's see what we got here.
That's yours.
This is from Miss Rosella. This is just too cute. It says Happy Mother's Grandma Day. I hope you have the best Mother's Day possible. Sorry for the something.
Oh, this is pretty. All right, boo-boo.
Wish you the best Mother's Day. Ooh. Whoa.
I hope they
Hey,
fit.
these are 10.
Yeah, I hope they fit.
Ooh, 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 ooh,
They don't fit?
ooh, oh. This, oh no, they didn't have an 11. Ooh, ooh, oh.
The top part out.
Oh, what? Excuse the feet, they're a little ashy.
How they feel?
They feel good. Oh, okay, they feel good. They feel like they just need to be.
We all know she like bling.
Oh, these is.
Watch it,
What's this, like a
Poopa.
rose gold?
Yes.
Yes, you did good. Oh, yes.
It was very, very hard. You will see on the vlog how hard it was to find something for you.
And you know,
Because
no, you can videotape. You know, when she called me from DSW with her husband, asking me, like, basically to help her pick out shoes. I was like, why am I helping her pick out shoes? First of all, she got more than enough shoes, so why is she buying more shoes? And then something said, that girl is buying her mother some sandals. Oh, this is cute.
Mm.
Oh, this is cute.
It's a spa headband. So when you want to wash your face or you want to put on your makeup, you don't want to mess up your hair. I don't know.
It's like some royalty would pick out. That's cute.
Here, we'll hear her insult. That looked like something royalty would pick out.
Oh, sook it, sook. Y'all hope this smell like the one you got. This is, everything has bling. Ooh.
That's my favorite, sweet pea. You can't. I couldn't even believe they had that.
Ooh. Thank you, Sade. Thank you, Greg. I love y'all. Thank you so much. This is nice. This is really nice. This is really, really nice. Get it? Get it? Get it? Get it? Get it?
I cannot.
Oh, this is really, really nice. Thank you so much, Sade. And you know what? This do fit. But they probably run, you know. I don't
Funny.
know. Yeah, but my whole foot was in though.
I was like,
'Cause
this
it
is
looked like
one.
an 11.
I said, yeah. I said, this is one hell of a. I put my foot in it.
You did? And how did it feel? Did it feel a little tight?
It felt a little tight, but
You felt like
It
your
didn't-
foot went in?
yeah. Mm.
It definitely feels like a shoe that will stretch. If I didn't think it was going to stretch, I would have to take them back.